Now students, here question is find the domain of the relation R. So here relation R is defined as x comma y such that x comma y belongs to z and xy equals to 4. So students, here I can write down from this y equals to 4 upon x. Now be careful, here they have given x comma y belongs to z. Now see, if we'll choose belongs to z given 0, if we'll take a 0, so in a denominator 0 can never possible. So if I will choose if x equals to 1, so y will be 4. If x equals to minus 1, so y will be minus 4, and product should also be telling that is 4. If x equals to 2, so y will be here 2. If x equals to minus 2, so y will be minus 2. If we'll take x equals to 3, so we'll get y equals to 4 by 3, which is not an integer. If we'll take x equals to 4, so that is 4 by 4, again I am getting 1, but the same answer. Here I have chosen. If we'll take a x equals to, similarly you can take a values. If we'll take x equals to 5, so 4 by 5, again not possible. If we'll take x equals to 6, so we'll get 2 by 3, that is not possible. If we'll take 7, again it is not possible. So here our set R will be 1 comma 4, minus 1 comma minus 4, 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma minus 2, 3 not possible, 4 if we'll take x equals to 4. So y equals to 4 upon 4, we are getting 1. Okay, so 4 ones are 4. So 4 comma 1 possible. If we'll take minus 4, so y will be minus 1, that is also possible. If we'll take x equals to 5, 6, 7, if we'll take 8, x is 8, so again 1 by 2 we are getting a fraction, so not possible. So these are the maximum possibilities. So this way you can find out children relation set. Now here we'll solve second one. Yeah, but students, here they are asking to find out domain. I just forgot. They are asking to find out the domain. So domain of R is equal to. Now children, let me clear how to find domain and range. After getting a relation set R in roster form, domain means what? All first elements of your ordered pair. And range means what? Second element of your ordered pair. So here first elements are 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 4. These many. So this all we have to write down 2, comma, minus 2, comma, 4, comma, minus 4. So this is the domain of the given question. Now next question here we will solve. In that we have to find out the range. See here, next question. In that first one, relation R is defined as AB such that A comma B belongs to n natural numbers, and they have given the condition 2A plus B equals to 10. So B equals to 10 minus 2A, and we have to find out its range. Now C belongs to n given. So what all numbers will choose that will belongs from a natural number, and smallest natural number is 1. So first of all let me choose. Let A equals to 1. So B equals to 10 minus 2 into 1, that is 8. If we'll choose A equals to 2, so B will be here 4, 10 minus 4 will be 6. If A equals to 3, so 3 2s are 6, 10 minus 6 will be 4. If we'll choose A equals to 4, so B will be 4 2s are 8, 10 minus 8 will be 2. If we'll choose A equals to 5, so here 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 10 we are getting 0, but 0 is not belongs to natural number. So till here only we can proceed. So here our set R will be in an ordered pair 1, 8, then 2, 6, 3, 4, and the last is 4, 2. Now what they are asking here to find? Range. So therefore range of R equals to second element of your ordered pair you have to collect. For this one, and this one. So that is 8, 6, 4, 2. So children, this way you can obtain. Now the last one is here. Now here also we have to find out the range. So see the second one. X comma 1 upon x given, and ordered pair should be in this form, x comma 1 upon x, and the condition is numbers in between 0 to 6. See, only less than given, less than equals to not given, it means 0 and 6 we cannot include. So here our R will be, see, if we will take x equals to 1, so 1 comma 1 upon n, 1. If we will take x equals to 2, so 2 comma 1 upon 2. Let x be 3, so 3 comma 1 upon 3. Then 4 comma 1 upon 4, 5 comma 1 upon 5. This will be last because 6 here I cannot take. Here it is given only less than. Now we have to find out the range. So range of R equals to, we have to find second element. 1 upon 1 will be 1. 1 upon 2, then 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, and the last is 1 upon 5. So children, hope now how to find out domain and range. It is